friends! Let's go on a mountain trip! Yes! It will be so exciting!
Let's get ready together. This better be worth it.
Come join our snowy adventure! Stay tuned and watch till the end. A big adventure is about to begin.
Don't miss it. Slow and steady, safe and ready.
Flashlight, map, and compass. Check twice, travel wise. All set. Time for the mountain adventure.
A traveler needs important things. Very important, shiny things.
Emergency carrot time!
Here comes Bobo Bunny!
Mountain snacks are ready! Hurry up, Grumpy Crow!
Important, shiny things are heavy.
Everyone is here!
Now we travel together.
Look at those mountains! We are getting closer!
The road climbed higher and higher.
Snowflakes! The mountains are wearing white hats! The bus stops here.
Now the Jeep takes us higher.
Careful with the snacks!
Careful with the shiny things.
This road is bumpier than bunny hops!
Hold tight, friends. One step at a time.
The path is this way. The path is this way. Wow! Snow everywhere!
It is shiny.
Snowball surprise is coming!
A tiny snow mouse.
And a tiny snow turtle. Playing kindly is the best fun.
Again later?
Low and steady, safe and ready.
Go, Toby Turtle! Bobo! My feet are going sideways! Bend your knees! Balance and look ahead! Woohoo!
Well done, Mimi Mouse. Stay close, friends.
Together!
Friends, the wind is changing.
We should stay close.
Uh-oh! That wind feels strong!
My shiny whistle! My whistle!
My snacks!
together, everyone!
Toby Turtle, I'm here!
Mimi Mouse needs us.
Bro, things can wait. Mimi Mouse needs us. Life is more precious than items. You are right. I will find Mimi Mouse. Mimi Mouse, where are you? I found Mimi Mouse! Hold the rope tightly.
I've got it!
Hold on, Mimi Mouse!
I am sorry, Mimi Mouse.
You came back. That matters.
Friends shine brighter than things.
And carrots help too! Like, share, and subscribe to BrightBeats Playhouse.